Burnout, pressure, stress. Help is on the way for overworked frontline medical providers.
President Biden has signed a bill named for a Virginia native emergency room physician who became overwhelmed during the pandemic. The chief sponsor of the measure was Senator Tim Kaine, and here's Mike Gooding.
She worked as hard as she could to help save people's lives.
In the early days of the pandemic, Charlottesville native Dr. Lorna Breen got COVID-19 herself, recovered, but came back too quickly. She was reluctant to seek any help out of fear it might harm her career. In April 2020, Lorna took her own life. Sadly, she's not the only one. It's been estimated that up to 400 physicians die by suicide every year in the United States. Now, President Biden has signed the Dr. Lorna Breen Healthcare Provider Protection Act, sponsored by Virginia Senator Tim Kaine. It boosts mental health resources for healthcare workers and establishes grants that seek to reduce and prevent suicide, burnout, and mental and behavioral health conditions among healthcare professionals.
So many of our health professionals deal with really intense mental health needs, particularly during COVID. So we passed legislation in Lorna's honor to do research onto the best mental health strategies for our healthcare providers, and then to fund programs at providers, medical schools, nursing schools that will help people figure out strategies to keep themselves well as they're doing the important work that we ask them to do every day.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
And thanks to the Dr. Lorna Breen Act, Virginia has secured more than $5.6 million in grants.
And that money will be used to address burnout and to promote mental health and wellness among healthcare providers.